Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I want to discuss a great feature in Class Notebook, which is distribute pages. So let's get started. So distributing pages in Class Notebooks is a very useful tool. Essentially, it allows you to add a page to your student section of the class notebook. So this is particularly useful for resources where you want students to answer questions or complete any other kind of work. Before this feature, essentially students would have to copy a page from the content library into their own section. So now we can just make sure that page is distributed to them and not rely on the students perhaps not doing the right thing and not copying the appropriate pages across. So how do we go about doing this? Well, firstly, open up OneNote and then navigate to your desired class notebook, and then finally the page you wish to distribute. So I've got a page here. It's very simple, but essentially it's just a really simple template for students to submit their work. So they're going to add their group names, then they're going to add their infographic under here, and they're going to give me any additional information up here as well. The benefit of distributing a page means that you have control, so you can name it appropriately. So if you're going to go through and mark work, you know that you're looking for the submission page. Whereas if students name their own pages, you may not know what title of page you're looking for. So once you've got the page, head to Class Notebook, and then we want to head to Distribute Page. So here we have 5 different options. Distribute Page, which allows you to distribute a page to all members of the class. Individual distribution allows you to distribute a page to an individual in the class. Group distribution allows you to distribute to a select number of members of the class. Cross notebook distribution, which allows you to distribute the page to another class notebook. And delete page, which allows you to delete a page from within the classes section of the notebook. This last one is very useful, particularly if you've maybe distributed a page, realize that there's an error. You can simply go to delete page and delete that page from all of the students' OneNote. So we'll go ahead and select the first option, which is distribute page. This will bring up a window over here on the right hand side. It will show the different sections that you have in the students' OneNotes. So go ahead and choose the choose the section that you want the page to be added to. So I'm going to click on classwork, and then I'm going to go to distribute. So once I click on distribute, what it says here, it will show you a progress bar. So it will show you how quickly it's being completed. It also says here, page will continue to distribute while you work, or close the app. So you can go ahead, close the app, do something else, and these pages will get distributed in the background whilst you continue on with any other work that you've got to do. So you haven't got to sit here and wait and look at it until it's complete. You can go off, do your other work, come back, and the pages will be distributed. If you do stay on, you'll be able to see that progress bar fill, and then it'll give you a nice green tick and done. And we know that those sections have now, or that page has now been distributed and added to the appropriate section of the student's notebook. So there you have it. I hope this has been useful. Give it a go. It's a really useful tool in OneNote. If it has been useful, please give the video a like, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.